I did try to fix dell inspiron 153521. No power problem. As you see, this dell laptop, when we try to press power button, there is no any light. Also using adapter, there is no any light or any picture. So we'll disassemble this laptop, and we try to check the motherboard. Now this is the motherboard. You can see this is the model of motherboard. It's necessary to download a schematic diagram, and in order to check what is the problem. Now after we disassemble motherboard, we will try to check the voltage. This is the schematic diagram, and this is the DC jack. Voltage coming from adapter, AC adapter, to this line, 20 volt VN, and going from this line to this MOSFET PQ 100. This is MOSFET is voltage gate. This MOSFET model 44078 P channel MOSFET, and from this MOSFET going to the other MOSFET, voltage coming from here to this MOSFET also. We try to check the voltage from this MOSFET to other parts using the schematic diagram. Now we connect the AC adapter and try to test the voltage on MOSFET here. In the first MOSFET, we find the voltage is 19.5. On the other MOSFET, we find the volt is about 1 volt. This must be 20 volt. So we check by using ohmmeter with the diode test. We check the first MOSFET. As you see, it's reading short between gate and source and drain. So the problem is here, this PQ100. Now we must take out from motherboard, and also we will check it outside motherboard in order to obtain the shortness of this MOSFET P channel. We use solder paste here. And use head gun to replace the MOSFET, SMD MOSFET. Now we take it out. We take it from motherboard. And we will check it outside. Also we bring another one, same model, new one, MOSFET AO4407A, and we make comparison between the old one and the new one, as you see here. This is the old one, MOSFET. As you see, the short between drain and source and gain. And this one is the new one. As you see, it doesn't read anything between drain and source. And from this side, it's read about 0.52. And between gate, there is no any ohm reading. As you see in the figure, in the picture above. So we are sure now this is MOSFET is short. Now after we change the MOSFET and I connect the AC adapter to the motherboard, I will try to start on the motherboard. As you see, it's on now. It's on now. Now that's mean the motherboard now it's work. This MOSFET, we change it, as you see, PQ11, and I check all these MOSFETs. Now I start it again. You see start and work. Now I connect it to the screen, laptop screen, using adapter, AC adapter. And now I will on in order to make sure it's all work. Now as you see, the picture is coming. Now I'm working without a hard drive, so it's good. Now it's working good. If you like, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.